We'll guide you through how to fix AirDrop not working on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as you then can't easily go and share and transfer files, photos and videos, etc. So we'll guide you through fixes to do on the sending iPhone and also the receiving one or receiving device. So to go and get started, you want to come and head to your settings on both devices, and you want to make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is turned on both of them. If it currently is turned on, then you can try turning it off. Then you can go and turn it back on, and you can do that on both devices like so. We're now doing it for Bluetooth. So after you go and do that, go and see if you can then go and transfer and AirDrop the file. If you still can't, the next thing you want to do is come onto the receiving device, and you want to go and drag down in the top right to open the control center. Tap and hold your finger in the top left of these icons, and you want to find AirDrop, and you can tap that there. You want to try setting it to everyone for 10 minutes. After doing this, we'll go and solve the problem. If you find you can't go and change the setting here, you need to go and open up your settings like so. Then you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for screen time and tap there. Next, you need to go and scroll down and find content and privacy restrictions. You can go and completely turn these off if you want to, or you can go and press allowed apps and features, and you need to make sure AirDrop is enabled. Then you can go and switch it on, and it should go and solve the problem. If there's a passcode set, that'll need to be entered, and that's different from your iPhone. That is the lock screen passcode. So if you don't know it, you have to get the person who does know it to go and enter it. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, we're going to do a forced restart on both devices just to go and refresh things. To do this, press the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. Now you go and keep these held down. Shortly, the phone screen will go black, but you keep on holding it. And you only are going to go and release when you go and see the Apple icon. So keep them held down, it shouldn't be too much longer. At this point you can release, and they're now both starting. So go and be patient while the process goes and takes place. When it comes back on, you can then try airdropping and go and see if it now works. If it still isn't, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up the settings on both devices, and you want to go down to General, and you want to go and find Software Update. If there's an update available, go and do it, and do that same thing on the other iPhone. After you've gone and updated, go and see if the problem's solved. If it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is on both devices is come into settings and go into general, scroll down, and you want to go and find transfer or reset iPhone. You can then go and press reset, and you want to go and do a reset of the network settings. When you do this, it will go and remove everything like the Wi-Fi networks you've connected to. So when you've gone and finished it, you'll need to come back to your settings again, come back to Wi-Fi and reconnect to the network. As I said, do that on the other device, and then hopefully the problem's now solved. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.